Your company supplies machines around the globe. Finding a supplier of mechatronics products that works in a variety of markets and fulfills a variety of applications, from the simplest to the harshest, and getting support around the globe can be difficult. In this episode of STOBER's Power Tips, I'll share 3 things you should consider when seeking a global mechatronics partner. First, you'll want to know important details such as where are the assembly centers for the products. Are the gearboxes, motors, and drives built in a single location or in multiple locations? Does the supplier have the ability to build on several continents? During the COVID-19 pandemic, many companies were unable to deliver products and services as their only production facility was shut down. It's a good idea to have suppliers with facilities in several locations to protect your business in case a similar situation occurs. Second, do you have different machine designs to meet market-specified controller or drive requirements? Some markets have a particular controller or drive manufacturer they prefer. Find a supplier whose gearboxes and motors can work with a variety of controller or drive manufacturers and with any motor. Finally, can you get support in your local markets? Getting help with installation, troubleshooting after startup, or reprogramming can be tough, especially when different languages are involved. Having access to someone who can help you is vital to ensure smooth production. Make sure your supplier can support all the markets you serve. Since 1934, STOBER has been in the mechatronics market. We have seen tens of thousands of applications, worked in a multitude of markets and environments, and gained the experience and knowledge to provide the best solutions for you. Over 75% of our parts are made in-house. For the remaining parts, we have multiple supplier options around the world to ensure we do not have material shortages. Regardless what controller or motor you prefer or what the application is, STOBER has a solution. Our gearboxes can mount to any motor, whether IEC, NEMA, or servo, or you can utilize a STOBER servo-geared motor. Our geared motors work with a variety of third-party drives, and we have incredibly fast delivery times. No matter where your machine goes, we have the experience, knowledge, and products to support you everywhere. With locations around the globe, including 3 production centers, 11 sales offices, and over 80 service centers, we are available anytime, anywhere to assist you. STOBER is here for you. Want to learn more? Download our free guide today.
STOBER is here for you.
STOBER est là pour vous.
STOBER is here for you.
ストーバーはお客様の力になります。
STOBER est qui per voi.
斯德伯在这里等着你。
STOBER sizin için burada.
STOBER ist für Sie da.